stock photography dead? That is the question. Can stock still be a passive source of income? Today I will share my stock photography story with you, and maybe it will help you answer these questions for yourself. Let's start with the basics. I shot stock photography about 10 years now, and inconsistently. What does that mean? Stock photography is not really the main part of my business. So every now and then, when I get inspired or just bored, I start shooting for stock. It can be for a day or a week. Then I upload everything to the sites, and it can be months before I do it again. I'm not saying you should do it like me, but I want to show you that it doesn't have to be the main part of your business. With so little effort over the years, I have accumulated around 15,000 images in several stock sites. I know 10 years is a long time, but keep in mind that I don't go out of my way to do this. I do it whenever I feel like it. So, what did I shoot for all that time? I started uploading in stock sites very early in my photography career. As any beginner, my images included flowers, dogs, and some very bad landscapes. But I have excuse for that. I really hate that type of photography. Don't get me wrong, I admire other landscapes photographers' work. But waking up in 4 a.m. and go hiking is just not for me. Next, I got into food photography. As an introvert, I love it. I could do it at home and experiment as much as I wanted to. Food is still a big part of what I shoot today. But deep down in my introvert soul, I always know that I wanted to be a portrait photographer. So, with time and Instagram, but not today's Instagram, the one of the beginning, I start shooting people. Whenever I got the courage to ask someone to sign the release and they say yes, I uploaded the photos in stock. Nowadays, I upload everything in stock. Travel photos, model photos, food photos, and even simple objects. I do that because you never know what will sell. Recently, I started shooting videos. I'm not very good at them, but I wasn't good at photos at the beginning either. Now, let's talk about money. Am I rich? No. Am I making a living just from stock photography? No. Am I buying my gear from stock earnings? Yes, and that's the part that I love. I'm usually changing my gear every few years, and during that time I get enough money from stock to buy a new camera or a lens. Gear is expensive, and it's nice to be able to buy it without taking it out from the family income. So, can stock photography be a source of passive income? For me, the answer is yes. Definitely not something you can rely on, but with time it can generate some money. And I still sell images that I shot years ago. So guys, this was my story with stock photography. I hope it was helpful to you, and you have some questions about stock photography and videography, leave it in the comments. If you're interested in portrait and stock photography, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video.